Okay, ready? 1. Sige na, pagaling na. 2, 3, go! Congratulations to each and everyone. MS DDCC Las Piñas graduates of Caregiving NC Group. Please remain on the stage again. This is already the victorious. Together with our visitors, guests. Sige na po. Pwede mag-akyat po ng upuan. Pwede mag-akyat po ng upuan. Ayan, kayo muna. Di kayo sila muna, sir, tapos akyat na lang po. Mga visitors sa PIP School. Isuot ulit yung cap. Kasi yan, para kayong graduate ng baccalaureate or degree. Postgraduate.
Yan naman dito. Yung ano.
So I do hope that you will serve as a role model to the next batches of caregiving of MS Las Piñas. I do hope that mga June or July may susunod ulit ng graduation ng mga caregiver batches natin. So congratulations to the working committee for coming up for this very successful graduation ceremony.